Hey guys, I want to try something different on my channel. I am going to be showing you guys a week of my workouts. I haven't worked out in a very long time. I wanted to try to film myself every single day for at least a little bit. I miss working out, I miss moving my body, and I've just become stuck in a rut. And I'm trying to say this as fast as I can before my camera dies. But I am going to be doing the Bloglotti's workout. I will link Bloglotti's down below, or you can check her out on YouTube. She's awesome. So if you need a sign to get up and move your body, this is your sign. Today is Monday. I just woke up. I meant to wake up at like 7:30 and it's 8:16. So a little bit late to the start of the week, but it's okay. I'm here now, and that's all that matters, right? To admit, my alarm clock went off this morning and I did not want to get out of bed, but I'm gonna do it. I think the hardest part about all of this, about working out and like eating healthy in general, getting out of bed, putting on your workout clothes, and pushing yourself to go an extra minute, or to do a little bit more, to do an extra set, to do an extra rep. Today is cardio and HIIT. I really don't like cardio. I don't want to do cardio. Freaking sucks. Do you see my hair? Okay, that was so freaking hard. Halfway through the workout, I literally sat here and debated whether or not I wanted to stop this whole series and stop working out and just go upstairs and eat like pancakes, because I kid you not, that was literally the hardest thing. Remind me to never, ever, ever do cardio in my life again. Okay, I woke up at 7:30 and I'm doing the thing. Here we go. My hair. That is how you know it was a good workout. Honestly, I'm so glad I did that. I feel really good. Yeah, day 3. Done and done, ladies and gentlemen. So I haven't worked out yesterday or today, but what I did do was this. I made a garland. Isn't it cute? And that's been my whole Thursday. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some kind of motivation to work out or to move your body. My original plan was to work out every single day, and obviously that didn't happen, and that's okay, that's life. But I think even working out 3 times a week is pretty good for someone that's just starting to get back into it. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe down below. I post videos every Monday and Friday. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.